Hello everyone in estate, welcome back to my video. In today's video I want to show you how to withdraw in estate. For those members that are already registered, completed their KYC, purchased a fraction of a real estate, and they have been earning their profit Mondays to Fridays on a weekly basis, and now they are looking to withdraw. So this video will show you exactly how to get that done. That being said, let's dive right in and show you exactly how to get it done. So when you're logging into your account, you go to your dashboard. Okay, so click on your dashboard. Once you are on your dashboard, you look at the bottom right hand corner, you will see where it says view assets. Click on view assets. When you click on view assets, this page will open. When this page opens, it will show you balance, the profit you have made so far from all your real estate that you have purchased. Okay, now you have the options to transfer all your profit from your tokenized real estate that you have purchased, or you transfer some of it. So click on transfer to transfer this money to your e-wallet. Okay, because you need to go into your asset first and then select transfer on the balance. That is the process. Okay, so click on transfer and then this page will pop up. This withdrawal request page will pop up. Okay, so enter the amount you want to withdraw, then enter your 6-digit withdrawal PIN code that you have set up. Now remember, your 6-digit withdrawal PIN code has already been set up during your registration process. But if you have not, please go back into your settings and go into your security and then set up your 6-digit PIN codes. Okay, so enter the amount you want to withdraw from the amount box, enter your PIN code, and then click withdraw to e-wallet. Now remember, you are withdrawing to your e-wallet. This is just one of the steps out of many that I'm going to show you here. This is not the end of it. So after you have clicked this button, withdraw to e-wallet, wait for a few minutes for this to get processed into your e-wallet account. Be patient and wait for it to appear on your e-wallet, because it takes a few minutes for it to appear on your e-wallet. Once you complete this page 3, step 5, from step 1 to step 5, once you have completed this, it takes a few minutes for the money to appear on your e-wallet. Now, once the money appear on your e-wallet, you click back on your dashboard. When you click on your dashboard, you click here to open your e-wallet. Once you click here to open your e-wallet, this page will open up. And then you will see where it says e-wallet, and you will see where it says wallet balance. Okay, so this wallet balance will be total of all the money you have will be sitting on your e-wallet. If you have like a referral bonus and all of that, and if you have transferred them from your agent account to your e-wallet, everything will be sitting there. So what you then do is you click on withdrawal button. Okay, when you open your e-wallet, it is default to deposit, so select withdrawal. When you select withdrawal, you will now enter the amount you want to withdraw inside the amount box. Okay, and then once after you have done that, you will now select your crypto payment method. Now, for you to select your crypto payment method, it means you must have added your crypto payment method before now. There is a separate video showing you how to add your crypto payment wallet address. If you haven't and you don't know how to do this, please go and watch that my video, how to add your withdrawal address into your estate account. So therefore, select which one you prefer. Okay, which method you prefer. For this video demonstration, I am going to select USDT BEP20. Okay, so I select USDT BEP20. Once I select USDT BEP20, I will now enter my 6-digit PIN code for withdrawal. Once I enter my 6-digit PIN code for withdrawal, I will now click the button confirm. When I click the button confirm, that means I have completed the process of withdrawal. So congratulations, you have successfully completed the withdrawal process. Your money will be processed within 24 hours. Thank you and God bless.